So today I'm discuss about that. How do I share post from my page to my LinkedIn group and Instagram on Facebook? At a time, I can post will be done Facebook page, group and Instagram also. How it is possible? First of all, in a Facebook profile, to connecting for groups in a page will be. So first of all, I'm go to the Facebook. Each Facebook, certain groups are there. Profile groups, page groups, completely different. Profile group, page groups, completely different. So page wise, these are the groups will be joined. We can create new groups. We can join for existing groups. First of all, here I'm just for search for social media. Selecting option will be groups. In the social media groups, here I'm clicking for anyone particular. So here I'm selecting for join. When joining time, you're asking for two questions. Are you joined with the profile option or page option? I join this group profile wise or page wise. I'm thinking about the complete for page wise. So I'm selecting here, click for join. When it is accept, is a member of that group for in this particular here. Is asking from some questions. I'll fill up this question will be here. So here I'm asking question and done by submit here. The group will be requested. When is approved, is group adding for your particular page. So clear guys, Facebook page wise group, profile wise group, completely different. Is it clear? Facebook profile wise, we can adding only for Facebook profile wise. Page wise only for the page wise. Now, this is our page. So what is my question? At a time I can sharing for Facebook page, group and Instagram. How it is possible? First of all, Facebook page will be connecting for Instagram compulsory. Where Facebook page setting option call is Instagram. Here will be connecting for Instagram will be here. This all will be done Instagram here. Without connection, we can't share content Facebook page to groups and Instagram. So previous what we discussed, group joining. Now I'm discussing about the Instagram connection is done. After that, copy the page username. Will be open that business dot facebook.com/ your username. Now enter the username. This is a page. This is a business page. Lot of different by the Facebook page and the Facebook business page. In a Facebook business page, at it you can share content, your page, and Instagram and a group also. But here only image is applicable. Video, another option is not applicable. Only video applicable. Suppose using for Get Messenger is applicable by the Facebook page and group option. Page and group option. Instagram will be not supported. So compulsory, if you go this option, impossible by the Instagram post. Upload image. I will share image will be in this option. Upload it. Share it at a time. Instagram and group also. And one more. Multiple Instagram not connected. Multiple group will be not connected. They're showing for multiple group. But any one group will be posting. Multiple group not posting will be not possible by in the Facebook page to Facebook groups. Facebook page will be supporting for Facebook page option, Instagram and Facebook group option. After that, we can sharing for hashtags. Is compulsory important hashtag to trend your keyword purpose. Post here. Now click for them. Facebook page, Instagram and group. First, we can go to this option will be here. Is a final post. Now click for share now. The post is visible by the Instagram. Here this asking option. Publish without tags. Don't add the tags. Sometimes the tag will be affected by your page. Community guidelines will be blocked. So I'm submitting for publish without tag option. Now page will be done. Now we can go for refresh this option. Done by the Instagram option will be here. When just now here. in this. After that, we have to sharing for Facebook group also. Group will be how to check. Go to groups, the group option, select in the group. So compulsory everyone doubt is there. Is a sharing group or not? Compulsory group we also will be sharing when just now. So this is a method we can follow to add your content, Facebook page, Instagram and Facebook group also. URL will be username for your page, business.facebook.com/ your page username to activate and upload the content on the Facebook page, Instagram and Facebook group option. And use this is not eligible by the videos or any other option. Only eligible by the videos. Only eligible by the images, not for videos. If any doubts or regarding this option, please ask me my YouTube comment, Digital Rakesh YouTube channel. I definitely support on the particular any further issues.